Do you know your immune system is your body's protector, ready to repel unwelcome foreign invaders at any time? As a well-coordinated defense, our immune system utilizes the unique powerful strategy known as inflammation to accomplish its bidding. But, just as with any tactic, balance is key. In today's video, we'll look at inflammation and immunological barricade against threats, and how our body's natural functions may be both a protection and a potential problem. At the end of this video, we will learn how to maximize the benefits of the phytochemicals present in fruits and vegetables, the power of anti-inflammatory foods, and explore omega-3 rich diet. Now, without further ado, let's get started. What is inflammation, and how does it serve as our immune system's defense mechanism against disease, injury, and stress? Inflammation is the immune system's response to harmful stimuli, such as pathogens, damaged cells, toxic compounds, or irradiation, and acts by removing injurious stimuli and initiating the healing process. This makes it a crucial defense mechanism to health. Inflammation can be either short-lived as an acute or long-lasting, chronic. During acute inflammatory responses, cellular and molecular events and interactions efficiently minimize impending injury or infection. At the tissue level, inflammation manifests in the form of redness, swelling, heat, pain, and possible loss of tissue function in the affected areas. These characteristics result from local immune, vascular, and inflammatory cell responses to an infection or injury. Acute inflammation goes away within hours or days, while chronic inflammation can last months or years, even after the initial trigger or stress is gone. Chronic inflammation is often a symptom of other health conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and obesity. Now, if we are to analyze this correctly, a concept of inflammation might not seem very clear at first, as there are numerous overlaps in the context and usage of the term. For instance, what makes short-term inflammation beneficial? And what are the true consequences of chronic inflammation on our health? Short-term inflammation is beneficial because it not only serves as the body's natural response to harmful stimuli, it is a hallmark sign that the healing process has commenced. During times when the body is responding to inflammation, certain actions and processes work together to reduce the harm or infection that could happen. These actions help bring the body back to its normal state and resolve the inflammation. They have different etiology. But if the inflammation isn't controlled, it can become long-lasting and cause different chronic inflammatory diseases. These include cardiovascular-related conditions, atherosclerosis, type 2 diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, and cancers. Chronic inflammation can also develop from autoimmune diseases, and in this case, you will probably have no control over their development. In addition, upper respiratory tract infections, or poor health in general, have been noteworthy culprits in the development of chronic inflammation. It's important to curtail and prevent their progression if you wish to completely truncate further tissue damage. Now that we are more enlightened, I bet it will interest you to know what you can do about it. Understanding the pathway of harm gives clarity as regards the methods we can adopt to combat its progression. Nature has provided us with numerous natural approaches to surmount this feat, and this can be achieved using phytochemicals or phytonutrients. So, what are these agents? And how do they contribute to protecting against chronic diseases? I know the term may be alien to most of us, but we must take cognizance of their value in our day-to-day lives. Phytochemicals, also called phytonutrients, are substances created by plants to help them defend against infections from fungi, bacteria, viruses, and insects. Generally, they are regarded as research compounds with unestablished effects on health, and are not scientifically defined as essential nutrients. Over 10,000 types of phytochemicals have been discovered worldwide. Their effects on human health depend on two intrinsic characteristics. 1. The type, and 2. The chemical structure. Research has shown that they have the ability to defend cells against damage and protect health. This is due to their antioxidant property. To promote good health, it is recommended to include plant-based foods that are rich in phytochemicals in your diet. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that each color of fruits and vegetables symbolizes different health benefits? This is why it is so important to have a balance of all colors on your plate. Let's chat about some amazing fruits and veggies that come in unique colors, along with the phytonutrients they have and the foods that contain them. First up, we have the vibrant red gang, including tomatoes, watermelon, pink grapefruit, and guava. These guys are loaded with lycopene, a powerful substance that protects against prostate cancer, heart disease, and lung diseases. Next, we have the sunny orange and yellow crew. Yes, carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, mangoes, and apricots are amongst the notable mentions in this category. They burst with beta-carotene, which our bodies transform into vitamin A. And hey, vitamin A is a big deal, as its importance for healthy vision, good skin, strong bones, and more cannot be overemphasized. Moving on, we've got the green squad, including the likes of spinach, kale, collard greens, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. These guys are packed with lutein, zeaxanthin, and sulforaphane. They protect against eye problems like macular degeneration and cataracts. As a plus, they offer your body protection against certain types of cancers. Next is cool blue and purple. What do we know about these? Blueberries, blackberries, purple grapes, plums, and eggplant have one thing in common. Care to know what that is? Filled with anthocyanins, these guys are the memory boosters that help keep our minds sharp as we get older, and may even have cancer-fighting powers. Now that's what I call a double win. And last, but not least, is the white and brown team. Notable members include garlic, onions, mushrooms, and potatoes. All are known to keep a secret. Hidden within is the potent allicin, which is known to have properties that might protect against tumors. As a plus, some other foods in this group have antioxidant flavonoids. Here's a tip for maximum benefits. Mix it up! It is recommended to eat a variety of these plant-based foods to get a colorful array of nutrients. Now, if you thought the list ends there, you are grossly mistaken. As a side note, if you are getting massive value from this video, kindly smash the subscribe button and you will be guaranteed high-quality health content once a week. Please stay tuned for the second half of this video.